This is our 9x36 Bridgeport Model J, 1 horsepower, R8 spindle, 36-inch table, chrome ways which are very nice. I'm going to give you a quick close-up. The head, the table does have a few hits, not anything that'll affect the accuracy. You can see the ways are very nice, both on the flat and the dovetail. Comes with an assortment of R8 collets and a 6-inch Bridgeport vise. Gonna run it now for you. Shift it to the low range. Slower speed. Brake is good. If you listen for the click, the head is shifting properly. Right there, which is what you want to hear. Bring her back on. This is our Bridgeport Model J 9x36-inch table. Thank you for watching.